Okay, I will test it. Wow, it's good. You know, this gun is not so expensive. It is affordable. Thanks to FMS manufacturer, they produce this all car, the scale for 1/10 with the reasonable price. Great. Thank you. I love it. I have many details. Look like the real one. Just you see, even like this light from the factory, or from the factory, even except the spare tire on the top and the bag, everything, the roof rack from the factory too. It's great. Even the sticker here from the battery, from the factory, right? And this is a stick on, but this one is just stick on. Great. Yes, I will pour it. We test it. That's it together. This OS is great time. Good, great, good, nice. Wow, together, good. So it's a remote control, and this truck body. Even this I have my yeah, what I have. The great. Yep. And now I would like to test this truck. Okay. And this is the first new that just unboxing from, and we'll take off this butter cell. There's a great from FMS. This is a Land Cruiser LC80. Great truck. Okay. And this is cool that I decor it with this bag, this bag skate, the luggage, and the spare tire. Just this wheel with the battery. Okay. So put the battery. Can see right now. It's great. Okay. Even this battery wrapper is great. It's a good connection. Red and the black wire to the black wire. Yes. And now turn on the power. Okay, it's great, and now I put this one. Also the side. It's great. You will see, and we will turn on the remote control. Okay. right is beeping, beep, 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 right. Also the left, okay. You would like to see the back of the car. The original have the driver from the battery. In the box, we have the driver. Yeah, the driver man. He's drive in the car. It's great. I never seen the Aussie they have made the driver man like this, saying to the FMS want to ask them to keep have the driver original in the box. Just great. Wow, good. Great.